Guys, welcome to Mr. Bubbles channel where we dish out awesome pressure washing business advice. Man, crazy day today, guys. I've been so busy lately. I've been literally putting in like 19 hours a day, basically, Sunday through Sunday, since March, essentially. On top of all the work, I've also been building 2 new rigs this year. I'll show you guys one of them when it's ready. I'm building a truck rig and I'm also building a trailer rig. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. Today, I had a very interesting conversation with the coaching client of mine that I wanted to share with you guys. Essentially, what he wanted to know was, like, what are the 3 most impactful things that really changed, like, the financial outcome of Mr. Bubbles, of my pressure washing business. So I thought this would make a very interesting video for today. So let's talk about it. So anyway, I really thought that this was an interesting topic and I wanted to share with you guys because, man, it was just such a good conversation and something that could really help you grow your business as well. So it got me thinking, right? So what are the 3 things that had the biggest financial impact on my business ever since I started Mr. Bubble? So here they are. Number 1, the thing that really has helped me a lot in growing my business was wrapping my vehicles. It's something I've talked about a lot on the channel. I probably have mentioned this, I would say at least 20, maybe 30 times. You know, I can't even begin to tell you guys how impactful it is for your business to wrap your vehicles. Now, when I say wrapping your vehicles, I'm not talking about lettering. I'm not talking about putting magnets and things of that nature. I'm talking about a full vehicle wrap to the point where you can't even see the color of the vehicle underneath. That all you can see is the wrap. Now, you know, the reason why a lot of people don't get this done is because it's not cheap. Now, depending on where you are, what part of the country you're in, it'll run you anywhere between, let's say, $2,500 to all the way to $4,000, depending on where you are. I typically pay right around $3,000 for mine. I just picked up the truck build that I'm doing. I just picked up that wrap last week, and we always wrap all of our vehicles. And I wanted to tell you guys this. So I don't think I've even been able to mention this on video yet. We just picked up a contract. We're 6 weeks into working this contract, and what it is the waste management facility. Okay, so this is like a huge campus. It's got 70 buildings. Guys, this is a job that I got because of my wrap, because of one of my wraps. And this job here is a 4-month-long job. That's what I calculated out. It's going to take us 4 months, guys. 4 months. It's a total of 80 days that it was, you know, and I calculated that out, that it was going to take us 80 days to do this job. I mean, imagine doing a job, and this is a 2-man crew. We got one crew pretty much almost every day. They're just showing up to that facility. It's over 70 buildings, what they call these sludge tanks where like all the poop and the pee goes. I mean, the place smells like ass. I mean, literally everywhere you go, the place smells like ass. But man, huge contract, the biggest I've ever done. And I don't know in the career of my company I'll ever get a contract bigger than that. Hundreds of thousands of dollars. And on top of that, it's 4 months worth of work. We can literally go every day if we want to. And we've been going right now 3 days a week. I mean, it is a lot of work. And again, that job came from one of my wraps. One of their, not technicians, whatever they're called, one of their, like, what is that thing called? Inspectors. One of their pump station inspectors was literally behind one of our trucks in traffic, wrote the number down, and that's how we got in there to do that. That would never have happened with your wrap, without a wrap. Now, I mentioned this before too. One of our biggest contracts, FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Association, we do a bunch of buildings for them inside the military base here in our local area. And guys, I can't even begin to tell you how many hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of clients you'll get from one single wrap. I mean, you make your money over almost immediately. absolutely the number one decision that I made, smart decision I made for my business, was wrapping my vehicles. I talk about this all the time. Marketing is the thing that you do, the physical action you take to get a customer, but branding is the things that you do that help you build your reputation in a marketplace. And nothing will help you grow your reputation faster than having branded vehicles with your logos and your name and your website and all of that stuff. So number one tip for you guys is making sure that you wrap your vehicles. Okay, tip number two, let me put the camera over here a little bit. So tip number two for you guys, I got a GMB. GMB stands for Google My Business. I've talked about this a lot on the channel, but here we're talking specifically an optimize Google My Business, because it doesn't matter, guys. If you just have a Google My Business, it's got to be optimized. And when I talk about optimizing, SEO, search engine optimization, I'm talking about keywords. I'm talking about map citations, eminent domain backlinks. And then also, obviously, this, I can't go into a whole tutorial on this video here, teaching you guys how to do that. I have already done that, by the way. I created a course, a pressure washing course called the Wash Life course. And it has 10 modules. And module number 1 is a 2-hour tutorial on how to optimize your Google My Business. All you got to do is verbatim follow all the steps in there, and you give yourself, like, let's say less than a year to a year and a half, let's say, and you're going to have the number 1 ranked pressure washing, Google My Business page in your area. So, even to this day, guys, I mean, we get a tremendous amount, like 30 to 35% of our clientele from GMB. And GMB, I've said this a couple times now on my channel, is the best form of passive marketing, passive versus active marketing. And passive marketing is marketing that you do one time, but keeps giving you results year after year after year. Guys, there's no better form of passive marketing than GMB, because, initially it's going to cost you a lot of time, energy, effort, maybe even a little bit of money. But once you do it, it's done. And years and years and years down the line, you're still going to be seeing the benefits and the results from that. So that's my tip number 1. My tip number 2 for you guys: optimize Google My Business. And again, you're going to need eminent domain backlinks. You're going to need map citations, and you're going to need to know how to embed keywords throughout your entire profile and things like that. But anyway, just watch that video from my pressure washing course. And by the way, check this out. Building a successful pressure washing business doesn't have to be hard. I've coached hundreds of guys in the industry and always noticed the same mistakes: underpricing jobs, wasting money on bad marketing, focusing too much energy on the wrong parts of the business. That's why I built an extensive pressure washing course called the Wash Life Mastermind. Guys, this is a complete pressure washing blueprint with over 20 hours of in-depth training, detailed notes, step-by-step checklists designed to help you grow a real business. Now, we're talking pricing, marketing, sales, systems, finance management, everything I use to build Mr. Bubbles into a successful pressure washing company. So if you're tired of fumbling your way through the dark and you're ready to build your business the right way, check out the Wash Life Mastermind today. Okay, so my tip number 3 for you guys is real simple. I took way too long to get a CRM for my business. CRM stands for Customer Relations Management Software. CRM is essentially think of it like ChatGPT or AI, artificial intelligent computer that runs your business, the administration side. So, having a CRM really, guys, is like having 6, 7 full-time employees that work for you. and that you don't pay a salary to, you're just paying a couple $100 a month to your CRM, having information at your fingertips. I didn't start using CRMs until like my year number 5. And so my first couple years, I never cataloged those clients effectively because I had these spreadsheets that I lost through time, a lot of stuff I was doing through memory or texting on my phone. And then, we ended up losing that information. So highly recommend you guys don't try to run your business without having a CRM. And by the way, the one that we use, I'll put up here for you guys, is called Jobber. That's, in my opinion, the best CRM in the entire industry. Of course, I've used 6 CRMs. Jobber is my 6th CRM since I started Mr. Bubbles, since the very foundation of Mr. Bubbles. I went from QuickBooks. QuickBooks, by the way, was it just wasn't for me. I know a lot of people use QuickBooks. It just didn't work out for me. I love Jobber because Jobber is super easy to navigate. It was like made for dummies like me. And then also it's affordable. And then the second thing, best customer service. Any questions that you have, you can just call them and they will answer any questions. They'll jump on a Zoom call with you. Guys, best CRM. I wouldn't even shop that around. I tell you guys this all the time on my channel. Just learn from the guys that already been there and been doing it, and copy success, because I don't want you guys to go out there and make the mistakes that I made through the years. I always talk about this. There's 3 types of people, right? Smart, dumb, and wise. Smart people learn from their mistakes. Dumb people do not learn from their mistakes. They just keep making the same mistakes. And then your wise people, they learn from the mistakes of others. So highly recommend you guys sign up for Jobber. And by the way, I will drop in the description of this video a link for you to sign up. It's like a free 15-day trial or 14-day trial for you. And then, you don't have to take my word for it. You can see how awesome Jobber is for yourself and see if it's a good fit for your business, which I know it is. So there you are, guys. Making sure you wrap your vehicles, optimize Google My Business, and use Jobber as the brain, as like the Jarvis / AI that runs your entire admin side of your business. Guys, stay tuned to the channel. Stay tuned. I got great, as always, right? I got great content for you guys. We're going to be doing a lot of field videos this year using my drone. I also bought a couple, action GoPros, that I'm going to be using a lot, but man, I'm super excited about making content for you guys as always. But yeah, thanks for watching this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.